Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into the brand new 2025 Honda City, a car that's been creating a lot of buzz. Whether you're considering a new sedan or just curious about what's new, this review will cover everything you need to know, from the exterior design to the interior features, performance, and pricing. Let's get straight into it. First impressions matter, and the 2025 Honda City nails it right from the start. Honda has given it a sharper, sportier look this year. The front grille has been slightly redesigned with a sleeker, more aggressive shape, and the LED headlamps now come standard across most variants, giving the car a premium and modern appearance. The bumper has also been reworked to look more muscular, and the addition of new alloy wheel designs gives the City a more athletic stance on the road. Around the back, the taillights are now slimmer and more connected visually by a subtle chrome strip. It's clear that Honda has aimed to make the 2025 City look more upscale and dynamic without losing its classic elegance. Now moving inside, the changes continue to impress. The first thing you notice when you sit in the driver's seat is the improved quality of materials. Honda has used more soft touch surfaces, refined stitching on the seats, and a cleaner, more modern dashboard layout. The new 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster and a larger 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system are a major step up, both in design and functionality. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard, along with a premium 8-speaker sound system on the higher trims. The rear seats remain one of the most spacious in the segment, offering fantastic legroom and headroom. Honda has also added ventilated front seats for the first time, which is a real bonus for hot climates. There's also improved cabin insulation, so the City now offers a noticeably quieter ride compared to the previous models. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Honda City stays true to its reputation for reliability and comfort, but with some important upgrades. The car is powered by a refined 1.5-liter IVTEC petrol engine producing around 121 horsepower, paired either to a smooth CVT transmission or a slick 6-speed manual, depending on the variant you choose. Honda has focused on making the drive even smoother, with enhanced suspension tuning that absorbs bumps effortlessly while keeping body roll to a minimum. The steering feels light yet responsive, making city driving a breeze while still being stable enough for highway cruising. There's also a mild hybrid option now available in some markets, which slightly boosts efficiency and provides better low-end torque for everyday driving. Fuel economy has been improved as well, with Honda claiming figures close to 18 to 20 kilometers per liter depending on the model and driving conditions. Overall, the 2025 City offers a balanced mix of comfort, refinement, and just enough fun behind the wheel to keep things interesting. Finally, talking about the pricing. The 2025 Honda City comes with a slight price bump compared to last year's model, but considering all the upgrades, it feels justified. The starting price is expected to be around $17,500 for the base variant, going up to around $23,000 for the fully loaded top-end model. Of course, prices will vary slightly depending on your region and optional features, but Honda has made sure to pack a lot of value into every trim level. Safety features like Honda Sensing, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, are now available even on mid-level variants, making the City one of the safest sedans in its class. So that wraps up our detailed review of the 2025 Honda City. It's clear that Honda has listened to feedback and delivered a sedan that feels more modern, more refined, and better equipped than ever before. Whether you prioritize style, comfort, performance, or technology, the new City checks all the right boxes. If you're planning to buy a compact sedan in 2025, this one definitely deserves a top spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.